What if you could earn money by helping train the next generations of AI? And that's what Outlier AI is. So I will show you exactly how Outlier AI works, how to get started, and the best ways to maximize your earnings. So let's get started. As you may know, Outlier is actually a platform that connects freelancers with AI training projects. So instead of completing traditional micro tasks, you work on assignments that help improve the AI models. These tasks can include evaluating the AI responses, like the ones that AI creates, those responses, or writing prompts, editing text, fact checking, coding, translating, or solving problems. So everything, like depending on your expertise. But one of the biggest advantage of this Outlier AI is that many projects pay by the hour rather than by the task, so making it an attractive option for people with strong writing or analytical and technical or even language skills beneficial. So I will walk you through the process here. So the main, as you can see here, the main task that you might be doing here is mostly writing a challenging prompt. So this is one of the things that you can do. So because creating difficult problem or answer plays help teach and improve the accuracy of AI models. So that one. Oh, you also have these create grading rubrics, because these improve the safety and fairness of AI models by outlining what makes a good answer. So you might sometimes do that. And the other one is ranking. You might be improve the AI models by rating the quality of their responses. So these are the general tasks, but it's not strictly limited to this. You'll have way of other tasks as well, depending on what assignment it is. So to get started, the first thing that you're going to do is create your account. So start by visiting the Outlier AI website. So open up any browser of your choice, just type in Outlier AI. Okay, and once you type in Outlier AI, go to the official website, which is outlier.ai, which is this one here. So that's the official website. So get in, and once you're on the website here, first thing, create an account. So click on this login option here. Click on the login option and then start creating an account. You can just use your email address or even your Google credentials to create one account. So just do that. So once you have created your account, so you will get to this onboarding page here. So here you need to complete your profile carefully. So you have to go and click on create profile, click on go, and then complete it, and then mention your skills here. And also you have to verify your identity through your IDs, and also you have to verify your skills. So what are the skills that you have, because this will help them assess you and the type of projects that you are capable of doing. So what you have to do is, the more and accurate your profile is, the better your chances of matching with higher paying projects. So get these done carefully. Okay, so first, once that's completed up, you'll be likely be asked to complete one or more assessments. So this test will help Outlier determine which projects are the best fit for your skills. So once you're on your dashboard, you're logged in, you will see whatever you have. So for example, if you have a course to complete or anything, click on start and then complete it. Because take your time and read every question carefully, because rushing through the assessment can reduce your chances of qualifying for future work. So whatever the assessments assigned to you, just click on it and then complete the assessments. And once you have completed the assessments, you have to wait for project invitations. So once you pass the assessments, once you have completed it, you will begin receiving project invitations based on your qualifications. So some people receive projects within few days, while others may wait longer depending on the demand and their skill set. So just be sure to check your email and dashboard regularly so you don't miss any opportunities. So you just have to wait for the invitation. So once you are done with the assessment, you wait for the invitations. If you receive an invitation, like, you will get an email from them. So once you get that, you can go to your Outlier, and from there you see that you'll be on your dashboard, it will be under current project. So it says that you have been matched with a new project, so something that's good for you, so something that fits your skills, it will be there. But again, then before you actually start doing that project, you might need to complete your training. So before starting the project, you'll usually need to complete the training modules. So these explain the project guidelines, quality standards, and the scoring system. So pay close attention during the training because accuracy is one of the biggest factors in staying on projects and receiving future assignments. So if you have anything, so it will be when you click on your projects, you will see that under projects, so that will be your training, because most assignments will have a training first before you actually do it. So go ahead and complete your training. So once your training is completed, okay, you can begin completing the actual task. So depending on the project, you might have to, like, depends, like sometimes you might have to evaluate AI generated answers, write prompts for the AI, or edit or rewrite text, or even like fact check information or review any coding solutions depending on your skills, or even like translation, or improve language output, something like that. So always follow the project instructions exactly, because high quality work often leads to longer contracts and access to better paying opportunities. And once you're done with your project, so once you have successfully completed your project, the next thing is getting paid. So Outlier pays contributors according to the payment terms of each project. So the rates vary depending on your location, your experience, and the type of work you are doing. So specialized skills like programming or mathematics, science, or multilingual expertise often qualify for higher paying projects. So even if you see here, there are some sample opportunities here. You will see they will indicate here, like, the which type of jobs are higher paying. For example, like a coding job, it says highest paid, so which means that it's bit high paid. So you can like actually see here which, depending on the task, the payment varies. Okay, but what I would say is, if you want to earn more on Outlier AI, just complete your profile with as much as relevant information as possible, and pass the assessments with high accuracy, and also read the project guidelines carefully before starting, and also try to maintain consistency and quality scores overall. And also when you receive an invitation, like try to respond it to the project invitations quickly, and stay active on the platform to improve your chances on receiving additional projects as well, because remember, quality matters more than speed. So consistent accurate work can help you remain eligible for future assignments as well. Try to build expertise in specialized fields, like, if you are good in coding, try in coding, or in medicine, or in data analysis, because these are often higher paying jobs. So for example, here you can check the highest paying jobs here and see which type of, under which category they comes into. But mostly like medicine, data analysis, coding are like higher paying. So if you are good at it, then it might be beneficial for you. And actually, Outlier can be a legitimate way to earn money online, if you enjoy like problem solving and writing, reviewing content, or working with AI technologies. Okay, so if you're interested in AI related freelance work, then Outlier AI is definitely worth exploring, and it might also help you to make some money online depending on your expertise and skills. And basically, that's how you can use this platform to earn money.